Good morning all of you. My name is Sohib Khan and I am from class 8. Today I will perform an activity of science to check action of yeast on sugar solution. For this activity we need dry yeast, lime water, 2 conical flasks, warm water, beaker, sugar, 2 test tubes and balloons. First we take a beaker, add warm water in it. Then we add some sugar in it. We will take conical flask and pour sugar solution in it. Now we will take another conical flask and pour sugar solution in it also. Then we will add yeast in conical flask. We will not add any yeast in another conical flask. We will cover both flasks with balloons. Now we will leave it for some time. After some time we can observe that the balloon is inflated because yeast produces carbon dioxide after alcoholic fermentation of sugar. Yeast undergoes anaerobic respiration to produce alcohol and carbon dioxide. We will put this lime water in this test tube. Now we will put this carbon dioxide in lime water. As we can see, lime water turns milky. It forms calcium carbonate. Through this activity, we observed that yeast performs anaerobic respiration and it produces carbon dioxide, and when we add this carbon dioxide into lime water, it turns milky because it forms calcium carbonate. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to perform an activity of science. In this activity, we will understand about the types of venation in leaves and the types of roots in plants. First, I will take a leaf. Here we can observe the thick line which is called midrib and the thin lines are called veins. So the pattern of veins on the leaf is called venation. Venation in leaves are two types, parallel venation and reticulate venation. So in this leaf, we can observe that both sides of midrib veins form a net-like pattern which is called reticulate venation. Now we will talk about another kind of leaf. In this leaf, we can observe that veins are parallel to the midrib, which is called parallel venation. Now I am going to show another activity on types of roots in plants. Roots are the underground part of a plant. They help the plant to absorb water and minerals. There are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. This is a taproot. In this taproot, one main root grows deep into the soil and other secondary roots come out from it. Such kind of root is called a taproot. This is the fibrous root. In this root, we can see that there is no main root and many thin roots are growing from the base of the stem. This kind of root is called fibrous root. So, we will observe a connection between leaf venation and types of roots. As we can see that the plant having parallel venation in its leaf have fibrous root and the plant having reticulate venation in its leaf have taproot. From this activity, we conclude a clear relationship between leaf venation and types of roots. Plants with parallel venation have fibrous roots and plants with reticulate venation have taproots. Thank you.